Alright guys, it's June 15 and today we moved into the new shop. Take a look. As you can see, the floors are all done. Looks nice, but to be honest, I'm not too happy with it. But regardless, it looks nice. It's just me and my OCD. There's some areas that I didn't like, but whatever. We spent most of the day, or actually today was supposed to be strictly for moving. I ordered my lifts through BendPack 4 days ago. I was expecting him to come in today. That way I can rent out a truck with liftgate and I can utilize the truck to pick up the 2 lifts as well as move. But the lifts didn't come in. They were never picked up yesterday as they were expected to. Whatever, I gotta wait until Monday. Fuck it. My main plan was to install the lifts Saturday and Sunday. That way I could start doing business Monday, but looks like that's not gonna happen. So I just had to make the best out of today. Regardless, it was a good day. Even though we're supposed to dedicate it to moving in, we had 3 walk-ins. Made some extra money on the side, did some brakes, oil change. Some guy came in with the Honda Del Sol starter issue, got that fixed for him. So I'm pretty happy. We made our money today in the new shop. Got a few cars in here. But yeah, take a look. This Mercedes right here was being a bitch. A lot of issues. It has an intermittent problem with starting. You'll literally start and run perfectly fine for 2 days, and one day it just won't start. I already replaced the SAM module, fixed it, and then it went away, and then it's a lot of bullshit. Regardless, my customer, she's not too mad. She knows that I'm doing the best I can, but it's whatever. That car's being a bitch. That kind of ruined my day. But yeah, check out the shop. Started moving our shit in. We have no shelving, so I bought some shelving. I sold my shelving and my lift and compressor to the guys at my old shop. The reason why I sold the compressor is so I can actually get a better one. I had a 60-gallon, 5 horsepower single stage, 135 PSI. I'll be upgrading to a 60-gallon 2-stage, 175 PSI. Another one from Ingersoll. But yeah, right now it's a fucking mess. I still need to move more shit. We still need to move more cars. Got my fluids lined up over here. But yeah. I got to say, it feels fucking nice to work in this facility. When I was working on cars here, the space, it felt amazing. It's a lot better feeling to work here than my old shop because I can move around. And in some cases, it's actually a hassle because fuck, dude, sometimes, hold on, let me zoom it in. I was doing brakes over here. Hold on. All right, so I was doing brakes over here and I had to walk all the way there to my toolbox and all the way back. And you know how it is when you gotta get your tools. That's the only downside is this place is so fucking big that it's a big walk just to go around and get my tools, but it's a nice environment. I really like it. I can see myself working here for the next 5 years. I'm content with the floors, but I'm not happy. I feel like I could have done better or whatever. I tried my best, but there's like little shits that happen on it that bother me, but only I would know that. Nobody would know it. But that's the whole reason why I'm getting bothered by it. But check out the showroom. Shouts out to my fucking mom. She came out, she cleaned up all the fucking dust on the floors from all the concrete grinding. She brought some shit from home, made a little waiting room for my customers. She cleaned the restrooms. My mom, shouts out to my mom for that. I fucking love her for doing this. She ran to Costco, got me all this shit to help me out. All this toilet paper, paper towels, soap, you name it. Fuck. Febreze. But, oh, office. This is temporary. Sooner or later, I'm gonna have an executive desk. I'll have 2 chairs for my customers. I shouldn't have the fridge here. I'm planning to put the fridge over there in the hallway. But looks like there's no outlet there. I'm gonna have to add one. So for the time being, this fridge and microwave gotta stay here. All this shit's gonna go. I just had to get something set up because, oh yeah, and I'm fucked right now because there's no internet here. So I have to keep connecting my phone to hotspot it. And it sucks because my business runs on the internet. I need the internet for part orders. I need the internet for my references like ProDemand, Mitchell, for my to look up shit, you know. So my business today was really it was really struggling because every time I unplugged my phone, I didn't have any internet connection. But hopefully I'll have like internet connection and Wi-Fi for my customers beginning of next week. We'll see how that goes. But yeah, I got to say I'm fucking excited. I'm really happy. My employee came out, helped me move. He did a good job. We got these cars done. My mom came out, helped me out. My brother came out. My dad came out to check out the shop. I gotta say, it was a good day. I'm really happy, and I'm really excited in let me zoom it in. I'm really excited in where this place is gonna take me business-wise. I'll be honest, if I look back a year ago, I was working out of my parents' garage and I would have never thought I would be in a shop this big. So I got to say, like, I'm really fucking happy. But anyways, what time is it? It's 10 o'clock, it's Friday. I got to get the hell on out, grab a couple drinks, hang out with some friends. So I'll be back tomorrow to finish moving, sort things out, figure things out, do what I gotta do. Thanks for watching. See ya.